Here we are in Via La Coletta, where Eric and I stayed for a few nights. This is our villa where we stayed. As you can see, it's right off the ocean. There it is. And it's a really cute place. We'll take away some really good memories. Walking up, this is where we sat and had breakfast, as well as dried our wet clothes. Coming in is the kitchen. We did most of our cooking. Say hi, honey.
Hey, bro.
Cute little kitchen. Seating area. There's our seating area. Our lovely bathroom. Nice blue tile. And the wonderful staircase. This whole place was built by the owners, Italian couple. And if you take these homemade stairs, being careful to climb, because they are a little tricky, we come upstairs to the bedroom. Bedroom area, skylights, and the nice terrace with gorgeous views all around. We'll miss this place, but off we go to Cabarete.